our friends at Enzo's private selection store sent us a nice assortment of products that I am going to be using a lot. And I mean, I use some of them already, but I'll tell you what I'm mostly excited about. I mean, I'm trying to get on my health journey of losing weight, doing intermittent fasting, and doing keto. Plus, trying to consume products that are good for the health and don't have a lot of artificial components to it. And I'm so excited about this organic stevia. I've been taking organic stevia because I try to consume everything organic for a while now, right? And what's cool about stevia is that it doesn't give you an insulinic spike when you take it, right? But in this case, which is very important when you buy products, is that this is non-GMO, it's vegan, and it has all the good health stamps that certify that this is made with the utmost care. You see all those stamps? They correspond to different countries. And here in the United States, that means something. So what do you use this for? To sweeten everything. You can sweeten your coffee, your drinks, but you can also, when you are going to bake, you can use this sugar to put in your pastries, to put in your cakes, to cook with, to bake with. So I'm going to show you everything that they sent, right? And that I'm excited about. I'll tell you how I'm going to use this. Now, this is just tea. And what's beautiful about it is the packaging. This is a great gift. If you want to give a nice gift to a friend of yours, you see? It's so elegant. You see? It's so beautiful and elegant. And you can, this one is the blueberry secret pie tea. I'll show you the flavors, and then I'll show you the one that I'm excited about the most, right? So this is Crimson Harvest, right? Nice. You see? Nice packaging, beautiful. You just put, like, heat up the water real nice and put it in there. Now, this is what I'm most excited about in terms of these teas. The Caribbean Rhapsody tea, which is a rum raisin flavored tea. What? Anything that says rum on it, I'm going to like. No, but one of my favorite ice creams is rum raisin. There's two varieties of the stevia, right? So they have this organic stevia that is 120 times sweeter, right? But then they have this one that's 320 times sweeter. So you can use less of it, right? And you can put these on your ice cream, on your pancakes, on your smoothies, you name it. If you're doing something right, you need something, right, that you want to sweeten really nice and be super efficient about it and be health conscious about it. That's how you do it. Now, at the end of the day, I have a water bottle. You know that water bottle where you put you make it into soda water, right? So I use these stevia flavored droplets. Let me see if you can see it right there. Let's see if it's going to. There you go. You see that? It's really nice. And what I love about this is the ingredients. Stevia. It's pretty clean. And this is vanilla flavored. So you put it in the nice water, or you can put it in your tea. It comes with the droplet, so you can measure it. And then you have this one. This is toffee caramel. And of course, remember that everything stevia is 0 calories. It won't give you an insulinic spike, and you will be able to consume it without, or at least I consume it without being worried about it getting me off the keto, right? Because that's why I don't consume sugar, because I don't want to be off keto any time. And why I consume, if I consume anything sweet, I always try for it to be stevia, because stevia is the less the other sweeteners have harmful effects or side effects that you don't want to deal with, right? That's why here it says that is, right, 0 calories, 0 carbs, 0 sugar, paleo, keto, Atkins friendly, right, vegan, organic certified, all natural, non-GMO. What's most important about all these products, when you see a non-GMO stamp, that's where you have to go. But what it's also saying, right, is that it's a high antioxidant, and it lowers blood pressure and sugar levels. So this is what I'm going to be using for the next couple of weeks, and then I'll make another video to tell you which one is my favorite and what my impressions are of this product. And I want to thank the Enzo private selection team for sending this stuff to me. I'm gonna make really good use of it, and I can't wait to drink all these teas, right? Because it's good for the spirit to taste things that taste good.